Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can enable incognito mode in the 4 most popular web browsers in the Play Store and the Nokia C31. So at the start we'll launch the Google Chrome, and if you want to enable incognito mode here, sorry about that, tap on this arrow icon or 3-dot icon. Now just tap on the new incognito tab and you are in the private mode. The next one in the Firefox. It's very easy. In that window just tap on the zero mask or just tap on the taskbar icon, go to the zero mask and add a tab. In the Microsoft Edge, like in Opera before, sorry Firefox, just tap on the taskbar icon, switch to the in private and add a tab. That's it. And the last one in the Opera, it's exactly the same route like in the Microsoft Edge. Sorry, you have to wait a second. And like before, tap on the taskbar icon, switch to the private and add a tab. And now the cache files from the sites or the history will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.